How to delete downloaded iOS update. On any iPhone is a downloaded iOS update taking up your iPhone storage and you're not ready to install it yet. I'll show you how to delete the iOS update quickly and free up space on any iPhone, so just follow me. We'll first open the settings on our iPhone device, and then we'll navigate over to this General section. Once you open this, find the option that's called iPhone Storage, and you'll get to this page where we can see a list of apps that we have installed on our phone, and you can also see a breakdown of your phone storage at the very top of the screen. Since we need to delete the software update, scroll a bit down until you see this iOS update that has the settings icon next to it. But if you don't see the software update on the list, then use the search bar at the top of the screen. My version is iOS 18.3.1, which is the latest software update from Apple at the time of recording this video. I will click on this update, and that will then open another page for me where I can see some information about the update, and you can see that this takes more than 800 MB of storage space. I'll just tap on this Delete Update button, and the downloaded iOS software update will be removed and deleted from my iPhone. If this video was helpful and you need more similar iOS tutorial videos, make sure to subscribe to Apter, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.